In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $23,790 in commission with Fiverr affiliate program. I will share with you guys which affiliate links or products I'm promoting using free traffic, and I will share with you how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services or products from your affiliate link so you can earn commission, and all of this without investing any money in paid ads, just by using free traffic. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new and advanced methods that I will share for free. And let's get started. So I made this commission from the first day of June until the day 9 of July. Okay, so it's almost like 39 days. Okay, I made this commission using free traffic. So this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots. I can click over here. This is my dashboard. I have marketing tools, reports, payments, post backup, affiliate commission plan, affiliate store, my ID. I don't need to show this, but that's fine. Anyway, so this is my affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so for people who are interested to start making money with Fiverr affiliate program, follow those steps. And what you will do first, go to Google. Okay, go to Google, search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. So just keep scrolling down and go to community over here and click on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. It's really profitable. Okay, so all you have to do is you just need to click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, and as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. You just need to follow a few steps. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, super easy. So what you will do next, I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Facebook. Okay, just by using free traffic from Facebook. So what you will do, so just follow those steps. Go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage like this. Okay, click on the search and search for logo design, and it's already popular right now on Fiverr, as you can see. Okay, search for logo design. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So let's choose one of those sellers. Let's choose good one. So for example, I can see this one is good. Okay, this one is top rated seller. This one also is top rated seller. Let's choose, for example, this one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. So just click on the service that you want to use. Make sure it's a good seller. Okay, so for example, I will choose this one, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page, and you can see guys how many orders in queue. 570 orders in queue. That's really a big number. Look at this. Over 7,000 people paid for this service. A lot of people are buying this service and it's working, and people are searching for logo designer, and I will share with you how we can find people who will be interested to buy this service from you. Okay, so it's working. So those people who keep asking in the comments it's not working, this business is not working, I tried it for 1 week, I tried it for 1 month, like what do you mean? It doesn't, if If this will work just from the first week or the first month, then everybody would do it. Okay, it's clear, but it's not easy. You need to stay consistent. Anyway, you can see the proof here. Look how many orders in queue. Look how many reviews. 7,000 reviews. 7,000 people paid for this service. Okay, and they are still buying this service. So anyway, you will be directly in this seller profile page. Copy his profile link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, and you have payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on deep link again and put this seller profile link here. Then click over here on save, and here you go. You just created your Fiverr affiliate link. So all you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook, and I'm going to show you how you can do it for free. Just go and open your Facebook homepage. So all of you guys have Facebook page, okay? You guys have Facebook page, I'm sure of that, okay? Just open your Facebook account, okay? Like this, and click over here on the search and search for logo design. Okay, click on the search for logo design. You have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups. We need Facebook groups, okay? And here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups that you need to join. So make sure to join all those groups. They are for free, okay? So let's take this group for example. Look how many people has joined this group. That's really a big number. I'm gonna choose this group for example. So just after you join all those groups, choose any group that you want, scroll down, and here you go. Here is a person, I need logo designer. This person is searching for logo designer, okay? And this post just posted today, okay? It's new. This one is just posted, this post on Facebook group, I need logo design. He is searching for logo designer. Let's scroll down. We can find more people here. Here is another person, I need free logo. This one needs free logo. I'm gonna not talk with this one. Why do I need okay, let's scroll down. You can find a lot of people here searching for Pioneer-wise, PayPal dollar. Okay, this one not. If you scroll down, you can find a lot of people searching for logo designer. Okay, so let's scroll down. You can also try other groups, okay? If you didn't find a lot of people here who are searching for logo designer, you can check other groups. So I'm gonna go back and check another group. I'm gonna check, for example, this one, graphic design. Let's check this one. Let's scroll down, and here you go. This one, looking for a graphic designer. You can see this person is looking for a graphic designer. Here is another person, graphic designer needed. This person is looking for graphic designer. So what I will do, let's take this one as an example. I will take this person, okay? This person is searching for logo designer. I will click on message, okay? And I will send a professional and friendly message to this person who is searching for logo designer, okay? So what you will do to create a professional and friendly message, go to Google and search for ChatGPT. Use AI. We're gonna use AI. It's super easy, guys. Just go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Click on the first link, use your email address. It's for free. I'm just using the free version. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on message and you can put this message, okay? Or you can create your own message. I asked ChatGPT to create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy logo design service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. So ChatGPT created this friendly message. Then I asked him, can you make it more professional and that will convince people to buy? And he gave me this, a professional and friendly message. Hey everyone, I hope this message found you well. As many of you know, a strong and visually appealing logo, and this is good and a professional message, okay? If you are looking to create a new logo or update your existing one, I highly recommend checking the professional logo design service available on Fiverr. Fiverr offer access to a talented and experienced designer who can craft an unique logo that perfectly presents your brand. The process is and that's really good. That's a professional message. So all you have to do is you need to copy this message. Okay, I will copy this one from here. That's a really good one. Okay, and I will copy this message like this. I will go back to Facebook and I will send this message to this person who is searching for logo designer. Okay, and over here you can see over here my Fiverr affiliate link. You need to put your affiliate link here. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this part. So we need to put our affiliate link here. So what you will do, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, okay? But you should see this one. For me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. But for you, that's fine. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. And as you can see, guys, this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short. It's not important, but for me, I like to make it short. You can use this website if you want to make your affiliate link short link. All you have to do is you just need to put your affiliate link here and click on shorten URL like this, okay? And you just need to wait a few seconds, and here you go. This is my affiliate link. Now it's short here. It's super easy. After you finish, click on send, okay? And your message with your affiliate link will be sent to this person, okay? As you can see, like this. So if this person is still searching for graphic designer, if he check your message, he will see this. This is good and professional message. If he click on your affiliate link, he will be, let's see, he will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. He will click on continue. He will see this number of orders in queue. He will see the number of reviews. He will see that this seller is top rated seller. He will click on continue, buy this service from you, and you will earn commission. That's how it works. That's how we get free traffic from Facebook groups, okay? You just need to talk with those people. You need to know how you can talk with your customers. Those people are your customers. You need to know how to convince those people. Okay, nice to meet you. This person just answer my message, okay? As you can see, guys, and you keep saying, oh, it's not working. It's not, people will not answer your message. And as you can see, this person just answer my message. This is the proof that, guys, it's working, okay? So I can talk with this person and I can give him more information about this design, about how I will help him to create a good design for his business. He need graphic designer. So for me, I have experience, okay? And I know exactly how I can convince this person to buy this service from me, okay? I already have an experience. I know how I can talk with my customers and they can convince this one. And this is the proof. That's really nice. This one answer immediately. That's really good, okay? Where are you from? Okay, nice to meet you. Where are you from? I can talk with him and give him more information, okay? And I can scroll down and they can search for more. Here is another person, okay? I need logo designer. You see this one? You will do the same. Click on message, send the message to this person who is searching for logo designer. Scroll down. Here is another person. I need logo designer for my clients. I will pay you. This is on Fiverr. This one is ready to pay you on Fiverr, ready to pay for his logo design. If we scroll down, we can find I need graphic designer. This one need a graphic designer. That's really good. I can click on message. I can send to this person message and I can convince him to buy my service from my affiliate link because I know exactly how to do it. And that's it, guys. If you keep scrolling down, you can find a lot of people searching for logo designer. This is the proof, okay? It's working. The business model is clear. but it's not easy. You can see it's clear. I show you how you can create your affiliate link, how you can create your affiliate account, how you can convince people to buy those services, how you can send a message to your customers, how you can find people who will buy those services from you. What's left is your work. You will stay consistent. You will learn how to talk with your customers, how you can promote your services, how to use marketing, how to, guys, the business model is clear. I didn't need to talk too much. I already give you all what's working. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.